Ms. Bharti Goel, the CEO of Her Healthcare at Home, to introduce Herabeat.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Rani. I'll start. Her Healthcare at Home, or HQ, is a healthcare products company for home prenatal care products. Today, I'm here to introduce an Israeli medical device which can transform the way how traditional prenatal care model can work. Before I jump into the device itself, I want to give a brief background about how prenatal care model works in India as well as all over the world. So just give me a second. All right. FOGSI, which is the Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecological Society of India, in view of COVID-19, has given out guidelines that in a course of a 40-week pregnancy, only 3 physical visits are important. These are around the important milestones of a pregnancy, which are in week 12, week 20, and then in week 32. Around the world, leaders in prenatal care, like Mayo Clinic of the US, Michigan Medicine, and Innova, in view of COVID-19, they have transformed their prenatal care model so that only 5 in-person visits are there. And these visits are clustered around important tests, vaccinations, and ultrasounds. And all the rest of the visits are happening virtually, in which the patient is monitoring their own vitals at home and reporting them to the doctor. So just to make it very clear, in a traditional prenatal care model, there are about 12 to 14 in-person visits that happen in a course of a 40-week pregnancy. A telemedicine supported model can reduce these visits so that at least 50% of these can happen online. What a typical telemedicine session for a prenatal session would look like. In this, the pregnant lady will have to check her vitals at home before the session, and then she reports these to her doctor during the teleconsultation sessions. These key vitals include her BP, fetal heart rate, her weight, and her blood sugar if she's at the risk of gestational diabetes. Now for BP, weight, and measuring blood sugar, there are devices which are pretty standard and are already available in the market and are easy to procure. But for fetal heart rate data, for a non-medical user to be able to measure it at home and transfer that data to the doctor has so far been an issue. This is where our device, Herabeat, comes in. Herabeat is a medical grade smart fetal heart rate monitor for home use manufactured in Israel by a company called Heramed. Heramed is an Israeli company listed in the Australian Stock Exchange. They have been into close R&D collaboration with Mayo Clinic of the US for developing home pregnancy care solutions. The device itself, called Herabeat, is FDA CE approved, and it is designed specifically such that it is easy for non-medical users to be able to use on their own at home. And the accuracy of this device is medical grade and has been measured against hospital grade CTG machines all over the world as well as in India. So how does this device work? Herabeat is a small transducer device which connects via Bluetooth to a smartphone-based app. In the app, the pregnant lady keys in her pregnancy week, and then there's an algorithm in the app which, according to the pregnancy week, will guide her to locate the baby's position on her tummy. And once she finds the position, she gets to see and hear the fetal heart rate as it's getting recorded. Once she has completed the test, a test report gets created, which can be shared with the doctor or the family. So this is what a sample PDF report of the fetal heart rate graph looks like, which is created by Herabeat. This FHR graph is similar to a NST or a CTG graph test, which is done in the hospital and which the doctors are used to. The accuracy of these readings have been tested against medical grade gold standard devices like a GE or a Philips Avalon CTG machines all over the world, as well as in many maternity hospitals in India by us. So Herabeat's customer in India include, of course, we are marketing to pregnant women directly online, as well as we have collaborated with IVF clinics and maternity hospitals who marketed to their patients. From a business point of view, for clinics and hospitals, they can have two models in place. One is they can keep an inventory of Herabeat with them, and they can deploy them on rental basis to their patients. And the other would be that they can resell the Herabeat to their patients by packaging them in prepaid teleconsultation sessions over the course of 9-month pregnancy. Now I would like to briefly go through some of the applications that we have seen Herabeat, that have used Herabeat in the past few months. So this one is a use case from a high-risk pregnancy very recently, just last month. The situation was, this was a pregnant lady in her week 30. She started discharging water. By week 33, the patient was experiencing very low fetal movement. And the doctor at this point of time asked her to get admitted to the hospital because frequent fetal heart rate monitoring was required. They would keep her in the hospital for a week, and then they would do an emergency C-section. And after that, the baby still would need to stay in the NICU, which is the neonatal ICU, for some time because it would be preterm. Now, the patient's husband found Herabeat and he took it to the doctor. And this doctor is somebody who has not heard of this device before. She tests the device against the hospital's CTG machine in her hospital, and she's satisfied with the readings and the report. And she gives the patient a go-ahead that you can monitor using this device at home and keep sending me the report on a regular basis. The outcome was the patient was able to successfully monitor her fetal heart rate continuously at home. Her pregnancy was able to prolong for 2 weeks, after which she had natural labor pains and then went on to deliver a healthy baby. And the baby also escaped the NICU. So this was a great case where the Herabeat served as a solid medical device in current Corona COVID-19 times, where the patient was reluctant to get admitted to the hospital. They didn't want to stay in the hospital for a week, and they were able to successfully use the device at home. The second case I would like to show is not Herabeat, not as a medical device, but as a wellness device. So this is a patient who doesn't specifically have a medical issue, but they just wanted to keep, just like monitoring your BP at home or monitoring your weight at home, they wanted to monitor their baby's heart rate regularly at home. They kept the device from 16th week of the pregnancy right till the delivery. And the outcome is basically, these are their words on our Facebook page, that they felt that the device is super intuitive and easy to use. It provides you instant peace of mind because you know everything is fine. It separates the fetal, unlike cheaper devices out there in the market, which can sometimes, there's a lot of noise. Herabeat separates the fetal heartbeat from all other sounds, including the maternal heart rate, accurately. And the patients felt reassured that they didn't need to panic and run to the hospital every time they felt anxious. The next two cases are again high-risk pregnancies where the lady was having low blood flow in the placenta in week 28, and regular fetal heart rate monitoring was advised. Again, the patient was able to successfully monitor her fetal heart rate using Herabeat from home. and kept sending the data to her doctor. And the doctor was able to make a medical decision based on the reports that they received for Herabeat. The last case is again a high-risk case in which the umbilical cord of the baby was around the baby's neck. The baby was not in distress, but the lady could not feel the baby's movement inside the tummy. Because of this, the doctor again advised regular fetal heart rate monitoring. The patient used Herabeat for home monitoring between the visits to the hospital, and they were able to monitor their baby's heart rate for 2 months before the delivery. And Herabeat basically worked really well for them. So these were a few applications that I wanted to discuss about Herabeat. And that's all for now. I'll open for any questions.